All right, you eco-warriors, let's cut the crap. Let's talk about carbon footprints.
Right.
Everyone's always bitching about them. But does anyone really know what the fuck that means?
Hmm.
I mean, I try not to be a total dick to the planet, but is that enough?
It's definitely a term that gets thrown around. A lot of people hear it and they think, save the planet. But they don't always grasp the nuts and bolts of it all.
Yeah.
So let's break it down, no bullshit.
Hell yeah, let's get into it.
Okay. At its core, a carbon footprint measures all the greenhouse gas emissions caused by, well, anything really. A person, a company, a product, or even a whole goddamn country.
So, like my daily commute and my nasty habit of ordering takeout every night, that all adds up to my personal carbon footprint.
Exactly. It's the total amount of greenhouse gases you're responsible for releasing into the atmosphere.
And it's not just CO2 we're talking about. Right?
You got it. Carbon dioxide is the poster child, but it's not the only asshole in the greenhouse gas gang.
Right.
Methane, nitrous oxide, those fuckers are all up there wreaking havoc too. To keep things simple, we measure everything in CO2 equivalents.
So it's like a universal language for measuring how much we're screwing up the planet.
Pretty much. It lets us compare the impact of different activities and choices.
Okay, so we've got the definition down. But why should our listeners give a shit about this?
Well, for starters, it helps you understand your personal impact. Are you a Prius-driving, vegan-eating saint? Or are you a monster truck-loving, meat-devouring demon?
Yeah.
Knowing your carbon footprint gives you a sense of where you stand.
So it's like a cosmic scoreboard for environmental sinners. I'm guessing I'm racking up some serious points.
Maybe, maybe not. But more importantly, understanding your footprint can empower you to make changes.
Okay.
It's about figuring out where you can reduce your impact and make choices that align with your values.
So you mean like actually giving a damn about the planet instead of just virtue signaling on social media?
Bingo. It's about walking the walk, not just talking the talk. And this is where things get interesting. We need to talk about scope 1, 2, and 3 emissions.
Scope 1, 2, and 3. Sounds like some kind of environmental gangbang.
It's more like layers of emissions, each one getting progressively more complex. Scope 1 is the most straightforward. It covers direct emissions from sources you own or control. Think about burning fuel in your car or running a gas-powered generator. That's scope 1.
Okay, I'm following so far. What about scope 2?
Scope 2 is all about indirect emissions from the energy you buy. So the electricity you use to power your house or your evil lair, that's scope 2.
Got it. So scope 1 is like my personal emissions, and scope 2 is the energy I suck up from the grid. But what the hell is scope 3?
Scope 3 is where shit gets real.
Oh,
It covers all other indirect emissions up and down the supply chain.
Oh, wow.
This includes everything from the emissions produced making the products you buy to the emissions generated when you finally throw that shit away.
Hold up. You're telling me my carbon footprint includes the emissions from that sweatshop in Bangladesh that made my t-shirt?
Exactly. And the emissions from the truck that shipped it across the ocean and the emissions from the landfill where it will eventually end up. It's mind-blowing when you think about it.
Man, that's some deep shit. So basically, everything we do, every choice we make is connected to this web of emissions. It's like we're all tangled up in this giant carbon orgy.
You could say that, and that's why it's so important to understand the full picture. We can't just focus on our direct emissions. We have to consider the whole damn system.
This is starting to feel overwhelming. I'm already picturing myself living in a cave, wearing a loincloth made of leaves, and eating grubs to minimize my impact.
Take a breath. There's no need to go full caveman just yet.
Okay.
The point is to be aware of these different scopes so we can make more informed choices.
Right.
It's about understanding where the biggest levers are for reducing our impact.
Okay, that makes sense. But how the hell do they even calculate all this stuff? It seems like a logistical nightmare.
It's definitely complex, but there are two main approaches: production-based accounting and consumption-based accounting.
All right, Professor, break it down for us simpletons.
Production-based accounting focuses on the emissions from activities within a specific geographical boundary, like a country or a company's factory. If a factory in China is churning out plastic toys, those emissions get counted towards China's footprint.
So it's like saying, hey, China, you made this crap, so you deal with the environmental fallout.
Kind of, but it's not always that straightforward. That's where consumption-based accounting comes in. It flips the script and tracks emissions based on where the goods and services are actually consumed.
Wait, what? So if I buy that plastic toy made in China, those emissions are actually added to my country's footprint, not China's.
You got it. Consumption-based accounting acknowledges that we're all interconnected in this global economy. The choices we make as consumers have a ripple effect across the world.
Damn, that's some next level shit.
Yeah.
So all those made in China labels on my crap are basically a reminder that I'm contributing to their emissions, even if it's not technically on my country's official tally.
Precisely. It highlights the responsibility we have as consumers. We're not just buying products, we're buying into the emissions associated with them.
Shit, this is getting deep. I need a drink.
Maybe hold off on that for a second. We need to talk about one of the biggest culprits when it comes to carbon footprints.
Okay.
Food.
Food, you mean like my insatiable craving for bacon cheeseburgers?
Yeah.
Don't tell me I have to give up my meat sweats for the sake of the planet.
Well, let's just say that what you eat has a massive impact on your carbon footprint. It often outweighs things like transportation or household energy use.
Seriously, so my daily commute is less damaging than my love for a juicy steak.
Quite possibly. Plant-based diets tend to have a much smaller carbon footprint compared to those heavy on meat.
All right, spill the beans. Give me some hard-hitting facts.
Let's look at protein, for example. Producing 100 grams of protein from peas emits about 0.4 kilograms of CO2 equivalent.
Okay, that sounds pretty damn low. But what about my beloved beef?
Brace yourself. To get the same amount of protein from beef, you're looking at a whopping 35 kilograms of CO2 equivalents. That's almost 90 times higher.
Holy shit. That's like comparing a bicycle to a goddamn monster truck rally.
You could say that. It all comes down to the resources required for production. Raising cattle requires vast amounts of land, water, and feed. And then there's the methane. These lovely creatures burp and fart out, which is a potent greenhouse gas.
So basically, cows are like tiny methane factories on hooves.
In a nutshell, yes. But it's not just about beef. The production of other animal products like dairy and pork also contributes significantly to emissions.
So what you're saying is, if I want to shrink my carbon footprint, I should ditch the cheeseburgers and embrace tofu.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not sure I'm ready to go full-on vegan just yet.
Look, I'm not saying you need to become a card-carrying member of the vegan police. Even small changes in your diet can make a difference. Swapping out beef for chicken or fish a couple of times a week, incorporating more plant-based meals, it all adds up.
Right, I'm willing to compromise. Maybe I'll try those veggie burgers everyone's raving about. But what about other areas of life? We can't just blame it all on the cows, can we?
Of course not. Transportation is another major contributor to our carbon footprints. The way we get around has a big impact on our emissions.
Yeah, I'm guessing those frequent flyer miles I rack up aren't doing the planet any favors.
Air travel is definitely a carbon-intensive activity, but even our daily commutes can add up. Think about the emissions from your car, the bus you take, or even that ride-sharing service you use.
So what's the solution? Am I supposed to trade in my gas-guzzling beast for a tiny electric car?
There are several options to consider. Choosing fuel-efficient vehicles is a good start. If you can, carpool with colleagues or friends. Public transportation is also a more sustainable choice in many cases. And for shorter trips, consider walking or biking. It's good for your health and the planet.
Okay, I'm starting to get the picture. It's all about being mindful of the choices we make and trying to minimize our impact wherever possible. But what about stuff? All the crap we buy and consume. Does that play a role too?
Absolutely. Our consumption habits are a huge driver of emissions. Everything we buy, from clothes to electronics to furniture, has a carbon footprint associated with its production, transportation, and eventual disposal.
Damn, so even my online shopping addiction is contributing to the problem.
Let's just say that clicking add to cart can have environmental consequences.
Yeah.
It's about being more conscious consumers. Do you really need that new gadget, or can you make do with what you have? Can you buy secondhand instead of new? Can you support companies that prioritize sustainability in their supply chains?
So it's like voting with our wallets. But instead of politicians, we're choosing between a sustainable future and a planet that's hotter than my ex's temper.
Exactly. Every purchase is a chance to make a statement about the kind of world we want to live in.
This is a lot to take in. I'm starting to feel a bit overwhelmed, like the weight of the entire planet is resting on my shoulders.
It's important to remember that you're not alone in this. We're all in this together, and collective action is what's needed to make a real difference.
All right, so we've covered a shit ton of ground here. From methane farting cows to the hidden carbon cost of my online shopping sprees. I've got to admit, I'm feeling a bit more aware, maybe even a little bit guilty. Is there any hope for a clueless consumer like me?
Don't despair. The fact that you're even asking these questions shows you give a damn, and that's a good starting point.
So it's not about being perfect, it's about making an effort.
Exactly. It's about progress, not perfection. Every little bit counts.
Okay, that's somewhat reassuring, but let's be real, some people just don't give a shit. They think climate change is a hoax, or they're too busy counting their money to worry about the planet. What about those assholes?
There will always be people who deny the science or resist change. But the good news is that more and more people are waking up to the reality of the climate crisis. They're demanding action from their governments and making changes in their own lives.
So you're saying there's a glimmer of hope amidst all this doom and gloom.
There's always hope. We have the knowledge, the technology, and the collective power to make a difference. It's a matter of mobilizing that power and pushing for systemic change.
All right, I'm feeling a little bit less pessimistic now, but for our listeners out there who are ready to take action, where do they even begin? Any tips or tools they can use to shrink their carbon footprint?
Absolutely. There are tons of resources available online and in your local community. Start by calculating your carbon footprint.
Okay.
There are many online calculators that can give you a rough estimate based on your lifestyle. That'll help you pinpoint the areas where you can make the biggest impact.
So, like, if I find out that my love for red meat is single-handedly destroying the rainforest, I can maybe cut back a bit.
Precisely. Knowledge is power. Once you understand your impact, you can start making more informed choices.
Got it. What else?
Look for ways to reduce your energy consumption at home. Switch to energy-efficient appliances, unplug devices when you're not using them, and consider renewable energy options like solar panels.
Makes sense. I've been meaning to get solar panels for ages. Maybe now's the time to finally take the plunge.
And don't forget about transportation. Can you walk, bike, or take public transportation more often? Can you carpool with colleagues or friends? Every little bit helps.
Right. And what about all the stuff we buy? Any tips on how to be a more conscious consumer?
Think before you buy. Do you really need that new item, or can you repair or reuse something you already have? Consider buying secondhand or supporting companies that prioritize sustainability.
So it's about being more mindful of our choices and thinking about the impact beyond our own immediate needs.
Exactly. It's about shifting our mindset from a culture of consumption to a culture of sustainability.
Deep stuff, man. Deep stuff. Well, I think we've squeezed every last drop of wisdom out of this topic. Any final words of advice for our listeners before we wrap things up?
Remember that you have the power to make a difference. Don't underestimate the impact of your individual choices. We're all in this together, and collective action is what will drive real change. So get informed, get involved, and get to work on shrinking your carbon footprint.
All right, folks, there you have it. We've deep dived into the murky depths of carbon footprints, and hopefully you've emerged with a better understanding of what the hell this shit is all about.
It's been a pleasure, even if the topic was a bit heavy.
And for all you listeners out there who are now feeling overwhelmed, maybe a little pissed off, remember, don't panic, just start making small changes. Every step you take towards a more sustainable lifestyle is a step in the right direction. We're not asking you to become eco-saints overnight. Just try not to be complete assholes to the planet.
Couldn't have said it better myself.
That's a wrap.